So here it is, freshly delivered, ready to unbox. Now, it's probably the least important thing, but still, I need to get all of those electronic components inside something. Otherwise, I'm going to have an issue. Just leaving naked motherboards out on a table where they could short out or suffer from static electricity is never a good thing. Now, I could have gone nuts and bought a very sweet case, really good looking, with lots of flashing lights inside, but at the end of the day, I'm not going to be looking at it much, so I want something that does the job. But the most important consideration for me, being in an isolated shed, is airflow. And that's why I chose the baby that's inside this box. So let me open it up and show you exactly what it is. This is from Fractal Design. It's the Meshify C computer case. It's pretty good, it's modern. At the time of making this series, it's only just over a year old, this design, and the color is black, which is fine. It's in a dark shed, it can be black. I'm happy with that. It's got a nice meshy design on the front, but oh, I thought I was done, but I'm not quite. I need to unbox the box that it was boxed in. So let's do that. That's it. Absolutely amazing. The Fractal Design Meshify 6 box is open. I really like this pattern on the front. It's great for airflow as well. It's really going to let a lot of air through there, especially if I have 3 fans in the front eventually. I really like the fact that it's got dark tempered glass on here, so you'll be able to see all of the units while the PC is running. There's absolutely no obstruction to be able to see the motherboard, to see the RAM in there, to see the CPU and everything. It's just a very, in my opinion, sexy looking metal box. It's got dust filters on the top, which actually appear to be magnetic, which is pretty handy there, seeing as it could accumulate a lot of dust in the shed. It's good to have that. From what I understand as well, there is a way to pull out the bottom bit. There you go. So the bottom dust filter can also be cleaned like so. Getting it back in, of course, and I'm later on going to get into the PC build full on by opening this up and putting everything inside. And from what I understand, reading the reviews online, this is a really easy box to build inside as well. Oh, and on the top, it's got a reset button, a power button, it's got microphone input, headphone out, and 2 3.0 USB sockets as well. So all in all, like I said, I didn't want to go nuts, but this will just about do the job and get me started on my ultimate audio PC build journey. Join me next time, where I'll be putting everything I've been showing you over the last few episodes together.